First, it is so provided under the Universal Healthcare Act. Ano? Ang base premium rate natin in 2018, I think, ano, if I'm not 2.75%. Okay? Now, 2022, dapat talaga nag-increase na sa 4%. But, Malacanang decided to suspend the increase of the rates ng premium ng PhilHealth. So, they are well within the provisions of the Universal Healthcare Act to increase. Although, it may not be advisable at this point in time because still reeling from the pandemic, ano, yung effects ng pandemic, baka hindi timely. Kasi sinuspend na rin lang, bakit ngayon yung timing na i-increase? That is not considering pa na when the Committee of the Whole was convened by the Senate President, ang daming anomalies na na-discover natin. Implementation ng IRM, yung interim reimbursement mechanism, na 14 billion pesos yung nawala. No? Supposed to be nawala from the PhilHealth funds, no? Na coming from the contribution. So while it's legal, perfectly legal, but it is not timely at saka hindi siguro advisable.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.